For converting console application to the web API, we need to first of all make some changes in the csproj file. These are the changes. Uh, Firstly, that we need to change the project SDK to web, and then we need to remove the output type, and we need to verify the target framework. So let's go to our project and let's open the csproj file. And to open the csproj file, we need to click it on the name of the project twice. And here is our csproj file. As we can see, we are having a project SDK and output type and target framework. Right. We can see these are the default settings in csproj file. And before we make any change to this file, let's go to the dependencies and open the framework. And we can see as of now we are having Microsoft.NET Core.app framework, right? So let's go and start making the changes. So first step is to convert. We need to change the project SDK to web, as we are going to convert this application from console to web API. So our first step is done. The second step is that we need to remove output type, as it is not going to be no longer console application. So we need to remove this output type. So I have deleted this, and then we need to verify our target framework. Right now it is .NET 5.0, the same target framework that we have chosen while creating this console application. If somehow if you are not getting this the latest one, you might be getting something like that 3.1 or some other one. So we need to change to the latest one, target framework, right? So finally, after applying the changes in csproj file, I am going to save this file. But look it very carefully on this side, right hand side on this window. As soon as I will be saving on this button, see what changes are going to be happen in this window. So I'm going to save, and we can see some changes have happened in this window. And in the framework, our one framework one this one Microsoft.ASP netcore.app is also installed. Earlier we were having this framework only, Microsoft.NET Core.app, but now after saving the changes whatever we have applied in csproj file, one new framework also added over here, that is Microsoft.ASP.NET Core.app, and this framework is basically used for web API project. Now let's click on this button, reload project. As soon as I will be clicking on this button, please look on this icon carefully. After clicking on this button, it will be converted. So I'm going to click on this button. Yeah, so we can see the icon of this project is also changed. Earlier it was icon of console application, but now it is showing icon of web application. So now it is a web project, right? Now let's open the dependencies again, and let's open our framework and expanding this one, first one, Microsoft ASP.NET Core App. And now we can see here we can see all are the required packages that we need for this project. So all are installed, and these are the analyzers. Now let's open the property folder, and now we can see we are having one JSON file with the name of launch setting.json file, and this is the file which is required to run the application. And we are having all the default setting over here which is required to run the application. So let's save the changes, and now the first step of our csproj file changes has been done, we can see. And now we will be looking in the next video what are the next step to perform.